Hello there. In this video, I will demonstrate how to watch movies online for free. The first website is myflixer.to. MyFlixer is a free streaming website where you can watch movies and TV shows online from a variety of genres including action, comedy, shooting, sport, history, and thriller. These are the available streaming links. Choose any, but I would recommend VidCloud. Close the advertisement and wait for the movie to load. The second website is supernova.to. On this website, you can search for any movie you want to watch or choose from the ones that appear when you visit the site. We have WLEXT.is as number 3. You can watch free international TV shows, telenovelas, and movies with English subtitles and dubbing. From here, you can select a streaming server and wait for the player to load. Now press the play button and enjoy the movie. Finally, there's sflix.to on number 4, which, in my opinion, is the best. Sflix is a newly launched website that allows users to watch and download movies and TV shows online in HD quality for free. You can binge-watch tens of thousands of movies and TV shows in HD quality without having to register or pay anything.